Hello students, today we will learn next method of depreciation, that is machine hour method, which is also called as service hour method. Okay, under this method depreciation is provided by means of fixed rate per hour. See, where it is practicable to keep a record of actual running hours of every machine, depreciation can be calculated on the basis of these hours concerned to the machine worked. म्हणजे एक मशीन किती तास काम करतं याचं रेकॉर्ड ठेवता येणं शक्य असतं. अशा ठिकाणी आपल्याला त्या मशीनच्या काम केलेल्या तासावरून सुद्धा डेप्रिसिएशन कॅल्क्युलेट करता येतं. दिस डेप्रिसिएशन, that is machine hour rate of depreciation, is calculated after estimating the total number of hours the machine worked or the machine would work during the whole lifetime. Obviously, these hours may vary from time to time due to various items, that is changes in economic conditions or technological conditions, etc. But we can use this method to calculate depreciation. It is observed that this method is only a slight variation, slight difference from the straight line method, because in straight line method depreciation is calculated per year, and in this method depreciation is calculated for each hour the machine works. Okay, so how to calculate the amount of depreciation? Step 1 is we have to calculate rate per hour of that machine, and the formula is original cost minus residual value, means scrap value, upon useful life in terms of effective hours, not in terms of years, in terms of effective hours. So we will divide by effective hours to calculate rate per hour. Then for calculating the amount of depreciation is equal to actual hours worked in that year into rate of depreciation per hour. Okay, so let's see one example of this. See this simple example, we will calculate only depreciation here. A machine was purchased for rupees 30 lakhs having an estimated total working hours of rupees 24,000 hours. ओके, म्हणजे हे मशीन 30 लॅक्सला परचेस केलं आहे आणि लाईफटाईममध्ये 24,000 आवर्स काम करेल असं आहे. द स्क्रॅप व्हॅल्यू इज एक्सपेक्टेड टू बी ₹2 lakhs. And the anticipated pattern of distribution of effective hours is as follows. First 3 years, from 1st to 3, 3,000 hours per year. 4 to 6, 2,600 hours per year. And 7 to 10 years, 1,800 hours per year. You are required to determine annual depreciation under machine hour rate method. So let's calculate this. Now this is the first example of machine hours. See, in this example machine was purchased for rupees 30 lakhs, so cost is rupees 30 lakhs. Residual value and estimated hours are given. Estimated hours 24,000. And scrap value, that is residual value, is given rupees 2 lakhs. Okay, so now we have to calculate here the rate per hour. Therefore rate per hour is equal to cost minus scrap value, cost minus scrap value, that is residual value, upon estimated hours. Okay, so estimated hours are 24,000. Estimated machine hours. These are machine hours. So rate per hour. Cost is 30 lakhs minus scrap 2 lakhs upon estimated machine hours 24,000. So 28 lakhs minus 28 lakhs upon 24,000 divided by 24,000. It is 116.67 rupees per hour. See, this is the rate. Okay, here. Now we will calculate amount of depreciation. They told us that years first, second and third, the machine hours worked 3,000 per year. From 4 to 6, 2,600 per year. For 7 to 10, 1,800 hours per year. So years 1 to 3. For these years we have to calculate depreciation. Depreciation is equal to actual hours in these years actual hours worked in these years into rate of depreciation per hour, obviously. So here from 1 to 3 year to 3,000 hours per year असं आपल्याला दिलेलं आहे. सो ॲक्च्युअल अवर्स 3,000 into rate of depreciation 116.67 rupees. So it is 3,50,010 rupees. This is the hourly depreciation for these years. Okay, now from year 4 to 6, 2,600 hours per year. Therefore depreciation is equal to 2,600 into 116.67 rupees, that is 3,03,342 rupees. Then for years 7 to 10, 1,800 hours per year. Therefore depreciation will be 1,800 hours into 116.67, that is the rate of depreciation. Two lakhs 10,006. This depreciation will be for 7, 8 and 10th year. This depreciation will be for these years, and this depreciation will be for these years according to the hours given per year. Okay, in this way, in this method we have to calculate the depreciation amounts. And preparation of machinery account or asset account and depreciation account is same, just like the method of keeping accounts in straight line method or written down value method. Okay, now see this problem of machine hour method or service hour method. In this method we have to prepare machinery account also, which is very easy. See the problem. Tulsian Limited purchased a machine for rupees 2,20,000 on 1st January 2015 and incurred rupees 40,000 towards freight, insurance, carriage inward and installation charges. So total cost of machine will be 2,20,000 plus 40,000, that is 2,60,000. It was estimated that the machinery will have a scrap value of rupees 20,000 at the end of the useful life, which is 10 years of 12,000 hours each. Machineryची scrap value means residual value is 20,000, it is given, and its useful life is 10 years of 12,000 hours each, means each year the machine will work for 12,000 hours. So total hours worked during the lifetime will be 12,000 hours into 10, that is 1,20,000 hours. Tulsian Limited decided to depreciate the machines on machine hour rate method. The machine hours during first 6 years were as under. Machine hours in 2015 6,000, 16 8,000, 17 10,000, 18 14,000, 19 14,000, 20 12,000. Show the machinery account from 1st January 2015 to 31st December 2020. Okay, so let's start. आता या प्रॉब्लेममध्ये आपल्याला जी डिटेल्स दिलेली आहेत त्याच्यावरून त्यांनी आपल्याला मशिनरी अकाउंट विचारलं आहे फॉर 5 इयर्स 15 16 17 18 19 20. बट आय विल शो द मेथड ऑफ preparing machinery account because it is familiar to you, and then remaining machinery account should be prepared by you. Okay, here I will prepare working notes. First we have to calculate rate of depreciation. So rate of depreciation is equal to cost of acquisition, which is 2 lakhs plus 40,000, that is 2,60,000, minus scrap value rupees 20,000 upon total hours 1,20,000. एका वर्षाला 12,000 दिलेले आहेत. 10 वर्षात टोटल मशीन 1,20,000 आवर्स काम करेल असं एस्टिमेट आहे. सो रेट ऑफ डेप्रिसिएशन विल बी 2,40,000 upon 1,20,000, that is ₹2 per hour. Okay, आता ₹2 hour is the rate of depreciation, and the machine actual hours worked by the machine ते दिलेले आहेत दुसऱ्या टेबलमध्ये बघा. 2015 machine hours worked 6,000, so depreciation will be 6,000 into 2, that is ₹12,000. In the year 16 8,000, so 8,000 into 2, that is 16,000 will be depreciation for second year. Third year, that is 2017, 10,000 hours worked into 2 rupees per hour, that is 20,000 will be depreciation. In the year 18, accordingly the depreciation will be 14,000 into 2 rupees per hour, that is 28,000. In the year 2019 also 28,000, and in 2020 it will be rupees, depreciation will be rupees 24,000, that is 12,000 hours into ₹2. Okay, in this way calculating depreciation is very easy. Depreciation is equal to hours worked, actual hours I mean, into rate of depreciation. Okay, so 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019 and 2020 depreciation will be hours worked 6,000, 8,000, 10,000, 14,000, 14,000 and 12,000 again, into rate is ₹2. So depreciation will be ₹12,000 in 2015, ₹16,000 in 16, ₹20,000 in 17, as we have discussed earlier, ₹28,000, ₹28,000 in 18 and 19, and 12,000 into 2, that is ₹24,000 in the year 2020. Okay, now we have to prepare this machinery account. आपण नेहमीच्या पद्धतीने मशिनरी अकाउंट प्रिपेअर करणार आहोत. पहिल्या 2 वर्षांचा मी दाखवते कसा करायचा, विच इज नॉट नेसेसरी ॲक्च्युली, बट स्टील. ऑन 1st January 15 to bank account, they have purchased machinery for rupees 2,20,000 and spent erection charges etc. rupees 40,000. So total cost of machinery will be rupees 2,60,000 in this way. First depreciation will be on 31st December 2015 by depreciation account, which as per our calculation rupees 12,000, and then we have to tally for this first year 2,60,000 minus 12,000, so it will be 2,48,000. On 31st December 15 by balance carried down 2,48,000, which will be brought down on 1st January 16. So 2 balance brought down rupees 2,48,000. Now on 31st December 16, last day of the year 16, we have to provide for depreciation. So by depreciation account, in the year 16 depreciation is 16,000, so rupees 16,000, and then we will tally again for this second year. Debit total is 2,48,000 minus 16,000, so it will be 2,32,000 by balance carried down. It will be brought down on 1st January 17. Then we will show depreciation again rupees 20,000, and then we will tally. In this way you have to prepare the remaining account of 17, 18, 19 and 20 in your notebook, and if there is any doubt you can ask. Okay, that's all.